In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a matrix in Tableau, and we're going to do it in just 5 minutes. Whether you're completely new to Tableau or have some experience, this guide will help you create a powerful visual matrix quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open the Tableau public app on your computer. If you haven't already, you can download it from Tableau's official website. Once you have it installed and open, sign in or create an account to access all its features. Now that you're inside Tableau, it's time to locate your working space. Find the Worksheet tab where you'll be building your matrix. This is where all the magic happens, so get comfortable with your layout and tools. The next step is to drag the sales field into the text mark. This action will display your sales data right on the canvas, allowing it to be easily manipulated and analyzed visually. You should see the numbers starting to populate, setting the stage for your matrix. Now let's add some structure to the matrix. Take the category field along with the subcategory and drag both to the rows shelf. Doing this arranges your data hierarchically, so it's neatly organized by the category and subcategory portions. This setup is crucial for a well-structured analysis that compares categories side by side. Moving on, it's time to incorporate some geographical dimensions by dragging the region field over to the column shelf. This positions your data across various regions, making geographic trends easier to spot at a glance. As your matrix begins to take shape, we're going to add another layer of time by dragging the order date field to the column shelf. This addition will break down the sales data by time, allowing you to easily discern trends over different periods. Next, we want your matrix to be both informative and visually striking, so let's copy the sales field over to color. To do this, press and hold down the Ctrl key, then drag the sales field onto the color mark. This duplication injects your matrix with a color gradient that intuitively highlights highs and lows in sales. Finally, let's adjust the view. Change it to square for a more aesthetically pleasing look. This adjustment complements the color gradient, giving your matrix a punch of clarity and readability. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've built a dynamic matrix in Tableau that brings your data to life. Thank you for following along today. By applying these techniques, you've created a functional and visually appealing matrix that's ready to convey complex data insights with ease. Join us next time for more Tableau tips and tricks.